Hi there, so I'm back with another video, this time with the Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now I've just done a video on the iPhone 11 64 gigs unboxing, so if you do want to check that out, go to my channel and you can find that video there. I've also done before that video the iPhone 11 Pro Max Midnight Green 512 unboxing, so you can also find that on my channel as well. Make sure you subscribe just so you don't miss any future content from this channel. Now, what I'm going to do today is a case review from this company that are called LAUT. Now, they have sent me an array of different cases, so I'm just going to try them on this phone and sort of let you know what I think of them. So, the company LAUT is a German case manufacturer, and they've sent me two of their crystal matter cases, which are these basically. So it's two cases, it's clear on the back so you can see the design of your phone, and then they've sent me one in sort of like a lime colour and then also just a plain black colour. So I'm going to try these out on the handset and see what I think of them. So these cases are very durable, so drop tested from 20 feet 6 meters, so the aluminium buttons on them, airframe technology and crystal clear back. So yeah, that's what these sort of crystal matter impact cases are. It sort of explains a little bit in there about the sort of technology behind it. So yeah, basically you can still do the wireless charging through it, so it doesn't stop that functionality. Yeah, basically it's meant to be ultra tough and also slim. I will also leave the link in the description of where you can actually purchase these cases as well. So there's two of the crystal matter cases, and then I've also got one of the shield cases, which is in this sort of lavender purple colour for the iPhone 11 Pro Max as well. So the shield one that I've got in this lavender purple sort of colour. Now this one is a shield, so it's ultra protective, double layer hybrid case with tactile buttons. Yeah, so that's meant to be ultra tough and also slim as well. Now that is drop tested 13 feet 4 meters, so that's also tested. So this one doesn't seem as durable as the crystal matter ones, but they all look decent, so I'll try them out. First up, the crystal matter ones. So I'm going to take these out of their boxes respectively, and yeah, so inside it says welcome to the LAUT family. So we've dedicated an enormous amount of time to provide you with awesome experience with our products, from design to manufacturing to delivery. If you have not had a 5-star experience, please let us know so we can work out to give you the service you deserve as a family member. So yeah, looks like they've got some good sort of customer service going on. Right, okay, so this is the black crystal matter case, which is one of the most durable ones that they've sent me. So I'm just going to pop the midnight green iPhone 11 Pro inside of it and see sort of how it looks. There we go, so it's snapped into place nicely. It does look pretty durable, to be honest. So on the side it just has all the impact technology symbol. It's got this sort of like, the black one's got this sort of like speckled black sort of look to it, so that looks pretty nice. The back of it, obviously you can still see your iPhone, so that's actually pretty nice looking, to be honest. Yeah, and it adds some extra sort of grip on there as well. It feels more sort of sturdy in your hand with it on. You feel like if you did drop it, probably would be very well protected really for that one. So yeah, I really like that. So yeah, that's the first one. Now I'm going to try the second one, which is the exact same case, but in this sort of lime green colour. So let's see what that looks like. So inside it sort of has the imprint of the colour that you've got as well, which is a nice touch to the box itself. And again, it's got the same insert inside, so let's just get rid of that. And then yeah, so it's the exact same case, but in this sort of lime green, greenish yellow sort of imprint. So I'm going to take it out of the black one that I've currently got on. This is pretty snug as well, it's quite hard to get off, to be honest. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy there on the outside. The only concern I've got with these cases that are kind of clear but also hard material, in comparison to say like a TPU case, which is very flexible, is that a couple of years ago with the iPhone 4s and the 5s, if any dirt sort of did trap in between this bit and the actual handset itself, it used to mark the back glass of the phone, which obviously when you took it out of the case it just looked really sort of, it had imprints on the glass, so that kind of put me off ever using sort of like a kind of tough case like this again. But I will be willing to give this one a chance, because with this it seems like any sort of scratches or marks do rub off quite easily on the matte version of this handset, so the sort of material, the matte glass on this. So yeah, I'm going to put the lime green colour of the same case on and see what that looks like. Yeah, so that's a bit more out there, this colour. Maybe not for me. I think I probably would prefer the black colour, but it still, again, feels very sturdy in the hand. It's the exact same case, but just a different colour for that one. Buttons, metal, feel very sturdy. You've got access to your mute switch in there. Again, says the sort of technology. But yeah, clear on the back again. So out of 10, I'd probably rate this case, looks wise, I'd say it's a good sort of 8 out of 10. It does look very good. You sort of get to see the back of the handset that you purchased, that you spent so much money on, so that's always good. I'll have to test the sort of durability of it and see whether it does get any sort of marks on the back of the handset. Hopefully it doesn't, but I will be testing this case out. It does seem pretty decent, to be honest. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is move on to the second type of case that they sent me, which is this lavender colour, and that is the shield case. So LAUT shield case. So again, let's just take this out of the box and have a look around. So actually these cases, I must say, they do feel very sturdy and very well made, so that's one thing that LAUT have managed to do very well. And this isn't a sponsor, by the way, they just sent me these cases for free, so I'm just sort of looking into them really. So let's have a look. So as I was taking this one apart, it seems to be in 2 separate sections. I'm very much hoping that this is actually meant to come off, but yeah, so it came off in 2 sort of different sections, so you can place that on top of that, so it's sort of like the 2 in the 1. I'm praying that that's sort of a feature that's meant to happen. I mean, yeah, I think it is. It doesn't say anywhere on the instructions or anything that these are meant to come apart, but I'm not judging it as long as it sort of fits together. And then I'm going to put this one on and see what this one's like as well. So again, it fits very snug for the handset, and that is the look of it. I think out of all 3, this is probably my least favourite sort of option. I don't think I would ever personally choose this one, but again, it looks very nice. It would suit some people. It's got a nice sort of textured feeling on it, that sort of thing. So yeah, nice sort of, it's very kind of grippy in this case. You feel like you're not going to drop it as much. So that is a very good sort of gripped feel to it. So again, it's got the metal button on the side and for the volume rocker as well. Very tactile, and you do have access again to your mute switch. So yeah, out of the 3, which one is my favourite? So number 1 is the clear case crystal matter, the black one, so it's just plain basically. I'd say my second favourite was again the crystal matter, but in this colour, and then the third favourite is this one. So yeah, that's just a quick look at the LAUT cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max and 11 Pro. What I'm going to do is I'm going to link in the description below the manufacturer's website, so you can go and have a look at what cases they do have for your device, and then you can go check them out. And yeah, they're really decent cases, so they are worth looking into. So that's about everything for this video. Make sure you stay subscribed, and thank you for watching.